Eugenia. So, sorry that my hair looks so messy right now. And you guys might be wondering like why I'm in a different location. So with the coronavirus going on and stuff, like this is something maybe a lot of you guys don't know, but a lot of the time like to do my hair, I'll actually go to a hair salon and just kind of have them wash it and style it and like blow dry it and all that. I have like a lot of hair and it's really long, so I just kind of feel like sometimes when I do that, it just kind of makes things like easier and it tends to come out better. Sadly with the virus and everything right now, I'm not really able to do that because everything is shut down. Sorry if you guys see like a little mark on my face right there. I think I got like a bug bite or something. I don't really know, but I think that's why. So anyways, since I can't do that, I obviously like have to do something to try to make my hair look good. So I thought I would just have like the best hairstylist, of course, do my hair like at home. Okay, I'm gonna get like the best stylist ever.
Hello.
Yay, so it's my mom.
Debbie Doo.
Yeah, she hasn't been in a video in like a while.
Since we can't get to the hairstylist, you can come to Debbie Doo.
Yeah,
and
I'm so
I'll do
excited.
it. We'll see how we do.
Good.
Now we
I think
don't
so.
have, you know, the setup that they have at a beauty parlor. So we do have a sink, but we don't have the chair that makes you go down, and you don't want to use the shower. So I'm thinking I'll wash your hair in the sink, but you
Might
put
be
your head
easier.
down this way.
Yeah.
Want to try it?
You could try that,
Okay,
yeah.
let's try that.
Didn't you think it's easier than the shower to wash hair and stuff?
Well, then you'd have to be doing it yourself, and then you wouldn't
Yeah,
be a
it,
Debbie
like, wouldn't
Doo.
work, so-
Debbie Doos.
This is like
We do
the
the
way
same.
of doing it.
Okay, so
You know, like outside, of course.
we do have our
but-
masks if we
We
need
do.
them.
Like when they walk by us, we wear our masks. You know, we are
We're gonna order a
social
COVID Disney
distancing.
mask.
Yeah, we need to get the Disney masks.
Yes, we do.
Those are so cute.
Okay, Debbie Doos. And scrub it up though. Everything's clean at Debbie Doos. I got shampoo and conditioner.
Southern Belle Volume Booster.
Dry bar. I got these at TJ Maxx.
Wow. I do have makeup on,
Okay,
so
we're gonna cover the eyeballs.
I don't know if like after this video if my makeup is gonna be a total mess, but hopefully not.
Oh, that's too hot.
Oh, it is? I thought it was.
No,
Oh,
no.
never mind. Ow. Okay.
We're gonna get your hair wet first. There's a reason hairdressers get paid. Dry bar has good shampoo. I like
Yeah.
dry bar shampoo. Do you want to sit up or you don't want your back getting all cramped? All right, sweetie. Come to the other side. This is fun. Trying to get all your ends.
Okay.
Okay, lift up.
Are we done?
Yeah, look at the
Wow.
camera.
Okay.
Debbie's
How do you think it
Stews?
looks so far?
Oh, it looks clean.
Yeah, I mean it's definitely washed. Well, that's
Okay,
good.
now we'll go see what we gotta do in the beauty parlor room.
Yes. Now we're in my room.
Rub the serum through the hair. Through the hair. Then we went to that salt marsh.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got the salt thing.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I kind of
Let
remember
me
we bought.
spray that. Buzz is my assistant. Okay, we got a pot. We try to do what we gotta do. At Debbie's Doos. You know, you go to hairdresser, they have sinks.
That'd be really weird if you went to a hairdresser and you guys like got in the shower together. Like, yeah. Interesting experience there.
If it hurts at all, if I'm going
It's
too
okay.
rough, let me know. No, it's not. We can go smoother.
It feels fine right now.
I'm just trying to figure it out, kid.
That's okay. Yeah, my bangs are like a little
What
confusing.
the heck am I doing here? Now, if somebody told you New Year's Eve become a pandemic, I would have said, I don't think so.
Everyone was like excited. Everybody was like, "Oh, 2020."
I know,
But,
it
like-
sounded good.
Yeah, it's just like I don't know. It's like a canceled year. It's like totally canceled.
Who even knows if we get beaches in the summer or what?
I don't think so. It looks like it's good. It looks pretty straight so far.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you style your own bang. I'm not sure
Yeah,
what
that's
you do with
okay.
the bang thing.
Yeah, that's like the hardest part.
We will figure it out. Right, Buzz? You said you had clips.
I do.
Okay, should we get them?
Sure.
Okay, cool. I will take them, girl. Oh no, I'm not taking you anywhere, not yet. Look at him, he wants to go.
Aw, poor Buzz.
Oh.
Sorry, Buzz.
All right, don't eat them. When you went upstairs to get
He
something,
tries to eat them.
he was going for the stuffed animals.
Oh my gosh, no. Yeah,
One
my
thing
hair's
we're
little.
missing that they have at a salon is the nice hair, the music.
Oh yeah, they always play music and like an experience.
But you can't put music on because of what?
Copyright.
No, that's too bad.
I know. What kind of music would you play? Just like your salon.
Frank Sinatra.
Oh, I could see you playing
Michael
that.
Bublé.
Oh yeah, he's like your fave, right?
Yeah.
Or like one of
Beach
them.
Boys.
You love
Oh, am I dating myself? I'm an oldie, people. It's all my much hair. How you doing?
Great. How are you doing?
I'm doing. Did you see your pug got the COVID?
Yes, that's so sad.
Oh, my poor little Winston.
I feel so bad for him.
I guess he's okay, but when they tested,
Yeah.
he got it. Family all had it, so their families
Oh.
letting some hospital do tests on them since they had it. Probably for like that blood plasma or something.
Right.
And little Winston is carrying it.
That's so sad.
So
Gone
dogs
now.
can get it, I guess.
Yeah, that's so weird because originally they said they couldn't
Yeah,
get
I
it.
know. Originally, so we didn't need masks.
No, and look where we are now.
Originally, they said it wouldn't be a big deal.
Yeah, we had nothing to worry about, you know?
Originally, they said 2 weeks.
Yeah, I guess like,
I'm gonna go back to the outside.
okay.
Go a lot faster if we did a haircut. I could cut like 12
No,
inches.
no. I can't do that.
Oh, you like your... Although I think you are probably due for a trim.
Well, maybe.
Whenever that day comes, it's grown. It's
Yeah,
really long.
but I like it long.
I know, but just a trim.
Maybe.
Close
You know,
on
like
side,
when I crossed
like
by Tifa, Tifa has like really long hair.
This long?
Yeah, her hair, like look at her hair, it's like super long.
Oh.
But a trim, I guess. It's not like it would really be
it's
taken
good for
away
your
from.
hair, too. It's very tight.
True. And my bangs are probably kind of
Yeah.
pretty
But,
long at
hey,
this point.
It's not like you can do it tomorrow.
Exactly. My bangs, I have to be like very little though, because like I like those long. Does your hair take this long to dry or not really?
I have never had as much hair this year.
Is it hard or
My
is
hair's
it?
porous though. My hair
Okay,
takes
so
a
yours is
while
kind of
to
like
dry.
mine. Yeah, that's how mine is.
I didn't even know you could have porous hair.
Me
One
either.
Years and years ago, some hairdresser, because every time I used to go to the
Oh,
hairdresser,
that's what that means?
it would take a long time for my hair to dry. They say, oh, your hair's so porous, which I guess
Oh.
that's holding water.
Yeah, like that's
But
such
your hair
a...
does it.
I never knew what that word meant. Like I only heard that word like in the SpongeBob theme song. That's like the only
because
time.
he's a sponge.
Yeah, because they say he's porous.
It's
Yeah.
like a sponge. It's just holding the water.
Oh, that makes so much sense.
And my hair's not that long. I had one so bad the other day. I
Oh,
just took a
no.
scissors and cut it out.
You did? How much
Because it was
hair?
somewhere in the bag, not much, but it was just like I can't get it
Oh,
out. It was
no.
hurting. I get the scissors and I just cut it out.
Oh
It
my
was way in the
gosh.
back of my head here.
Yeah, I mean it's hard to like. I always have trouble like getting at those. It's really hard to get them when they're in like the very
well,
back.
I knew you wouldn't want to cut it. Because
Why would I?
It losing like a. I didn't chew gum much. I was never a big gum chewer, but I somehow I got gum stuck in my hair once when I was a kid. There was a lot underneath that.
Yeah, well underneath is.
Oh, it was wishful thinking,
Oh,
people.
oh, wow,
Yeah.
yeah.
Soaked.
Just like
Oh,
never.
your hair takes forever.
Your
40
knee.
Life Club.
Here we
See?
go.
I'm gonna try clipping. The lady that doesn't know how to do hair. Okay,
It's
I
really
got some
hard
hair.
though.
Then a nice shine to it. That dry shampoo worked very well.
Yeah,
I
I'm
love
sure.
it.
It smells really nice.
You know, it's funny, I bought that before, way before. Now I'm glad I did because selections aren't that good right now with a lot of stuff.
Yeah, and we just kind of buy stuff online now. This is why it's so hard for me to do my hair on my own.
Yeah, I know. 'Cause
It just takes forever.
Like now I understand
Yeah,
why.
this is why I go to hair salons so much. I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay.
Like just
so
like
yeah,
by my ear a little
sorry,
bit. Oh, it's
yeah,
okay. Sometimes at the hairdresser they do that too.
Yes, I like that.
I like never tell them though, because
Oh,
I feel
you gotta
bad.
tell
I like
them.
never do.
No, you just tell them.
It has to be like really bad for me to tell
No,
them.
just tell them. They don't want you to be uncomfortable.
At least you're not hurting, you know, like some salons, like
Some salons.
it hurts so
kill.
much.
That's why I like Edward's salon. They
Yeah,
don't hurt.
I know, they do a great job.
I miss it.
Hopefully things open someday. I'm sure they will eventually.
It's just sad and terrible for all the people.
That's the thing.
That's sick. I
That's
know
the worst
someone
thing,
that got
exactly.
Sick, that lost jobs.
Like that's the most important thing for sure.
It's a really, really tough time. Now, I think I'll get my next thing.
You're next. Oh.
I'm gonna hold this
Sure.
for me. All right.
Oh, what is that? Your InStyler?
Yes.
Cool.
I love the InStyler.
It looks nice.
I'm always in a hurry, so I don't use it that much. But you don't use one of these.
I've never used
What
one.
do you use?
I just use a flat iron.
Oh, well, should we try this?
We can try it.
Okay. Debbie's Doos has a...
I think they're kind of similar, so like I don't think it would be that different. It seems cool. Yay!
Okay, down to this side.
So much fun.
So much fun at Debbie Doos. Oh, we're gonna get there.
What an amazing
Light at the
day.
end of the tunnel.
After all the time and hours that we put into this.
As long as it comes out okay.
I think it's gonna look great.
Say, oh no.
No.
Just go wash it.
I'm sure I'll love it.
Do the best you can do when you hope for the best.
That's all you can do.
Let me see. I think you're looking good. I'm gonna stop. You feel around because it's a jungle in here.
I know.
And you tell me you could have a bird living in this place.
I really could. It's
and
crazy.
you feel it again, and if there's a wet spot, tell me, and then I'll zap it with this thing, because nothing's wet enough that we're gonna sizzle.
It definitely feels pretty dry. It might be a little bit tangled in some sections, I
Okay,
think.
let's work
But,
on that.
because like even with me, it will take a long time to like, I typically comb through my hair like every day.
Yep.
Like I brush it, and then after that I comb it to try to make sure I get all the tangles out. So it can take a while.
Do more or what? Take a
Okay.
break and take a look at it.
Okay guys, so my mom just finished doing my hair. By the way guys, like when you were washing it a little earlier, sorry if you guys see, I don't think that you can tell like that much on camera, but I know some of my mascara, I think ran a little bit, so hopefully it's not too noticeable. Anyways, I think she did a really good job. So thank you to her for
You have to do the
doing
bangs.
it. They're not that bad though. Like,
Yeah,
I think
but
she
I do
should.
want to do the bangs.
The bangs
because I
can be
don't wanna
hard.
burn your head. So you gotta style your bangs.
Right.
And you might want to straighten them just a little bit. But other than that,
Other than that
she's
though,
done it,
I think she
Debbie
did
Stews.
a great job. Wait, they can't see your face.
That's okay.
All right.
I want to break the camera.
It wouldn't break
I
it.
did it.
Yeah. So, but she actually, I think, did a really good job in the part. Sometimes, like, no offense to some hairdressers or anything like that, but I've definitely have gone to salons before, like, sometimes the part will be a little bit off
Okay,
just
so we
compared to
did
how I
okay
like
with
it.
the part.
So I think she did a really good job with that. I think it looks really good. So thank you, Mom,
Oh,
for doing my
anytime.
hair and everything.
Anytime.
And yeah, I hope that you guys liked this video. I hope you guys like seeing my mom do my hair. If you did, then give this video a like, and you can subscribe if you want to see more videos from me and stuff. All right, I love you guys so much.
All right, kid.
Bye. Do you want to say bye or okay?